Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. Today I want to show you my easy way of making lentils soup. We're gonna need some lentils. Now I sometimes use the green lentils, which it does look like black lentils, but we call it green lentils, and today I'm using black lentils. So I'm using 3 measurement cups of the measurement cup, like 1 cup. I'm using 3 of these. So this is the lentils here, and I didn't soak it or anything. I'm just gonna wash it before it goes in my pressure cooker. Now I'm using pressure cooker. You can obviously do this in a pot. It's just gonna take a longer time to cook than a pressure cooker. And then we also need some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I chop them to small pieces, just roughly chopped, doesn't matter. An onion finely sliced just like that, half moon. Some fresh chopped parsley. I'm using just 1 dry red chilies. You can just leave it, you can just put more if you want to. This is really optional. Ginger garlic paste, about half tablespoon. Some fresh thyme, a couple of sprigs, like few sprigs. And then I have got 1 large carrot cut into small cube, just like that. Now the amount of the ingredient for the lentils, it does not require, like, you can put as many carrots as you want. I have a 1 large, you can have 2 large, it doesn't really matter. And also the thyme, you can just ignore the thyme if you don't eat thyme, but I love thyme. I love the smell, especially in lentils. So and now I'm gonna take it to the stove and we're gonna start cooking. Okay, my oil is preheating. It's about half cup of oil. Let me show you, just like that. And then the heat is over medium to low right now. We're gonna turn it on high later when we add the lentils. So for now we have to add the onion first. This is going to be very super easy way of making lentil soup, guys. Just follow the steps. And I also like when the lentils cook together with all of these spices. Not the spices, but my onion, whatever is in the pressure cooker is going to cook together with the lentils. So now I'm gonna fry this onion until very light golden brown. Next I'm gonna add ginger and garlic, the dried chili, and the tomatoes. Now let's just saute together for like another 1 minute. Now I'm gonna add my parsley. Stir that, and the thyme. I'm just gonna rib them, just rib it. I don't want those thick. I'm just gonna put the thyme, the leaf alone. And now I'm gonna add my carrots. These are here. This is already looking beautiful and the smell is good. It's so good. I have already washed my lentils and I put some water in the bowl, and now we're gonna add this to the pressure cooker. This is how we're gonna cook this, my way and easy way, and it's gonna be very delicious. Trust me, guys. When the lentils gonna cook like together with whatever sauteed over here, you won't believe me how good this will be. And now put some salt according to your taste. You can also taste it later, and you can add more salt at any time you open the pressure cooker. And now I'm gonna cover this and let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or maybe 4 or 5 whistles. And then I'm gonna open it, and then we are going to go to the next step, which is almost the last step. Okay guys, I have just opened my pressure cooker and I just want to show you, like all the water dry, just a little bit left, nothing burn. You have to make sure that you don't let it cook too long, and you don't have enough water, and then it will touch in the bottom, it will burn. And now I turn the heat on again, add some water. Now this is not going to be the watery lentils, this is going to be the thick lentil soup. This is how I like it all the time. Okay, so now we're gonna cover this and let this cook for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, my lentil soup is ready, and also dinner is ready in my kitchen. I just want to show you the texture. This is how I like it. Now you can top this, garnish this with some chopped coriander if you want to. Let me just put some in the bowl. Smell is so good, and it looks good. Some carrots. And then just a little bit fancy. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Simple and easy recipe and quick lentil soups that you can make in about 45 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.